Next, please. Card or cash?
Card, please.
You can put your items here.
Okay.
That's a lot of shopping today.
Yes, I know. I came for just a few things, but I always buy more.
It happens. Sometimes you see things you need later.
Yes, exactly. That's what I tell myself every time.
Please enter your PIN.
Okay.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me,
Yes?
your bags look really heavy. Do you want help? I can carry them to your car if you like.
That's very kind of you, thank you. But I didn't come by car today. My home is not far, and I actually like walking. I think I can manage, even if it's a bit heavy.
Oh, that's good then. I hope you have a nice walk.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, slow down, Luna. One bag in the right hand, one bag in the left hand. Milk, bread, fruit, vegetables. I really should stop shopping when I'm hungry. Every time I say just 5 things, and every time I leave with 10 bags. At least everything is fresh. Wait a second. What was that sound? Did I hear a cat? That meow sounds strange. It sounds weak. It doesn't sound playful or happy. I think something is wrong. Hello? Is anyone here? Oh my God. There you are. You are so small and so white. You look like a little cloud. You're very dirty. Did you stay here all night? Are you alone? Hey, don't be scared. I won't hurt you. I just want to help you. Wait, you're trying to walk, but you can't. Oh no, one of your legs is hurt. I think it's broken. Poor baby. You must be in so much pain. Okay, I can't leave you here like this. I wouldn't forgive myself. I need to take you to a vet. Daniel, please pick up.
Hi, Luna.
Daniel, I really need your help right now.
You sound worried. What happened?
I found a small cat behind the supermarket. It's injured and can't walk properly. I think one of its legs is broken.
Oh, no. That's really sad. Where exactly are you?
Near my house next to the supermarket.
Okay, stay there. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
Of course, don't worry.
Hey, little one. You must be hungry too. I bought milk today. It's lactose free. That's better for cats. Oh, wait. I don't have a bowl. That's not good. Okay, think. Luna, I can use my hand. It's not perfect, but it will work. That's it. You're drinking it. Oh my God. You are so sweet. I'm really happy you trust me.
Luna?
Daniel.
Wow, what a beautiful cat. What happened to it?
I think its leg is broken. We need to go to the vet as soon as possible.
Okay, I'll put your shopping bags in the car.
Don't be scared. We're going to help you. Hello, doctor.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I found this cat outside behind a supermarket. It can't walk properly. I think its leg is broken, and it looks very painful.
You did the right thing. Thank you for bringing the cat here. Please don't worry. I will examine the cat now. This may take a few minutes.
Doctor, is it in a lot of pain?
Yes, but we can help. She will feel much better soon. The cat probably fell from a high place. One leg is broken. I will put a splint on it. After that, she needs a few weeks of care. I need to ask you something important. Do you want to take the cat home and take care of her? Or do you want us to keep her here?
I already have a cat at home, and his name is Milo. But I want to take care of this one too. I feel responsible for her.
That's very kind of you. I won't take any money from you. I will also give you the medicine for free.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome.
Are you really sure about this?
Yes. I feel like I was meant to find her today. I couldn't just walk away.
I understand that feeling. Have you thought about a name?
I want something like Milo.
What about Molly?
That's perfect. Milo and Molly sound like family.
Molly is doing very well now. She is calm and her breathing is normal. The splint is strong and her leg is stable.
That makes me feel so relieved. I was really worried when I saw her behind the trash. She looked so small and helpless.
That feeling is very normal. You listened to your heart and you did the right thing. Not everyone would stop and help.
How long will it take for her to be completely better? I want to prepare my home for her. I want to do everything correctly.
About 3 weeks, she must stay inside the house. No jumping, no running. You need to watch her carefully.
Okay, I work from home so I can be with her. I can check her leg every day.
That's perfect. Please bring her back after 3 weeks. I want to check her leg again.
Of course, I will. Thank you again, doctor.
Doctor, can I ask you something?
Of course, go ahead.
I was watching everything today, and I feel something strange but nice. I think I want to adopt a cat too.
Really, Daniel? Are you serious?
Yes, I've been thinking about it for a long time, and today feels like the right day.
That's wonderful to hear. We actually have 3 cats here right now. They were all street cats and now they are healthy.
Can I see them?
Of course, follow me.
Wow, they are beautiful.
Yes, they really are.
Look at them. They are playing together. They look so happy.
Which one do you like, Daniel?
I don't know. They are all very cute.
Doctor, you said there are 3 cats. I only see two here.
Yes, the third one is very calm and shy. He is probably sleeping in his little house.
I understand him. Sometimes I'm shy too.
Daniel, may I suggest something?
Yes, please.
Turn around slowly. Look behind you.
Oh, wow. He is standing there.
Oh my God, Daniel. Look at his face. He is watching you.
His name is Toby. He is very quiet and gentle. He usually hides when people come.
Hi, Toby. You are very fluffy. Do you want to come home with me?
This is unbelievable. He is rubbing against your leg. He never does this.
Daniel, I think he chose you.
I feel that too. I feel very calm near him. Doctor, can I adopt Toby?
Yes, of course. I'm very happy for both of you. Now let's talk about what you need. A cat needs food, water, and a clean place.
Okay, please tell me everything.
You need dry food and wet food. A food bowl and a water bowl. Cat litter and a litter box.
What size should the bowls be?
Medium size is good. Not too small, not too big.
And the color?
The color doesn't matter for the cat. Choose what you like.
Okay, I'll take these.
I recommend this food. It's high quality and easy to digest.
Sounds good, and I trust you.
And these two toys are a gift. One for Toby and one for Molly.
That's so kind of you.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome. If you ever see an injured animal on the street, you can bring it here. I will treat it for free.
That's really admirable. Your love for animals is very clear.
And your actions today were very valuable. Take good care of these little angels.
We will.
We promise. I still can't believe this. I have a cat now.
Yes, you do. And I have two cats now. That makes me very happy.
Thank you, Luna. If you didn't stop today, this wouldn't happen.
Sometimes life gives you small signs. You just need to notice them.
Should we go to your house first? So the cats can meet?
Yes, that's a good idea. Milo? Where are you, Milo? Come here. I want to show you something.
He looks confused.
Yes, this is a big change for him. Milo, this is Molly. Her leg is hurt. We need to be gentle.
He is not moving, and he is just watching.
That's okay. He needs time. Sit down, Daniel. I'll make some coffee.
Toby is walking around the house, and he is checking everything.
Yes, he looks like a little detective.
Milo is watching him from far away.
He is curious but careful.
Poor Molly. I wish she could walk.
She will. She just needs time and love.
I'll bring Molly closer.
Okay, slowly. Look, Daniel. Milo is coming closer.
I think he understands. Animals feel more than we think.
Milo, this is Molly. She is part of our family now.
Wow, he is licking her.
Oh my God. I didn't expect this so soon.
This feels very special. Like everything is in the right place.
Yes. Sometimes love starts in the most unexpected places.